What is the difference between compound interest on 5,000? What is the difference between compound interest on 5,000 for 1.5 years at 4% per annum, compounded yearly, half yearly? There are two cases. Compounded yearly, I will take it as case 1. Compounded half yearly, I will take it as case 2. And then difference between, they are asking difference. Okay, this is the principal amount and this is the time and this is the rate of interest. Okay, so I will go with case 1. Case 1, yearly means formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T, and we know that given P is 5,000 and R is 4 and number of years 1.5 years. Okay, if you simplify this, this is 5,000 and this is 1 plus 1 by 25 whole power 3 by 2, whole power 3 by 2. Okay, so what I will do here is 5,000 into 26 by 25 whole power 3 whole power 1 by 2, whole power 3 whole power 1 by 2. So which can be written as square root of 26 by 25, 26 by 25, 26 by 25. So I am going to have 5,000 into 26 by 25. One time you can take it outside, and under square root one time it is present. Now I am going to case 2. I will calculate this final answer little later. I am going to case 2. It is half yearly calculation, so the formula is half yearly calculation. Formula is whole power 2t. Okay. Now this is 5,000. 1 plus rate of interest is same, 4 by 2, 2 into 3 by 2, 2 into 3 by 2. Okay. And this is 5,000. 1 plus 2 by 50 whole power 3, 2 by 50, 2 by 100. Okay, 2 by 100. Here we have to simplify carefully. Here it is 2 divided by 100 whole power 3. Okay. Again this will become 1 by 50. 1 by 50 and whole power 3, which can be written as 51 by 50, 51 by 50, 51 by 50. Okay. Now, this is equation 1. This is equation 2. What they are asking is difference between the compound interest. Difference between the compound interest. Okay, principal amount is same. Principal amount is same. This is A1 and this is A2. First case, second case, A1 and A2. Okay. So in which principal amount 5,000 is same. Principal amount 5,000 is same. So if you take the difference, A2 minus A1, that is compound interest difference only. That is compound interest difference only. Okay. So what I will do, I will go with 25 ones are, 25 twos are 50 and 2 zeros is there. And here what I have 200 into 26 root 26 divided by 25. So 25 ones are, 25 eights are. Okay. So 8 into 26 into square root 26. This case 1, the final answer I will calculate. Okay. And in case 2, 51 sir, 50 10s are 500, one more 0, 51 sir, 52 sir, 2 1s are 225 sir. So finally I am having 51 into 51 into 51 divided by 25. What is the answer? Let me try. Okay. This is about first case and second case. First case and second case. 26 into 8. Then I have root 26. 26 into 8. (26) into 8 into, so I will go like this, 26 square root of the value. Okay, it is 5.09 into this answer into 26, this answer into 8. Okay, this is the final value in case 1. 1060 and then 59. Okay, 1060 and 59. This is the answer in case 1, 1060, 59. In case 2, I will calculate the value. Case 2, 51 into 51 into 51 equal to divided by 25. Divided by 25. Our answer is 5306.04. 5306.04. That is 1060, that is 5000. Here again I have done some calculation. 200, 26 by 25. Here the thing is
கரண்ட் இல்லைல்ல இன்னைக்கு பவர் கட் ஆனால் நானே பப்ஜி
25,
விளையாடல
25, 15 I have missed out here, but it will still go lesser value. This will go still a lesser value. So 25 into 2, then 00. And here I have taken 25. This must be 5. Okay, the mistake.
ஆனால் ரெண்டு
This mistake I have identified. So here it should be 5. This denominator, it should be 5, not 25. Square root of 25. Okay. So if it is 5, here instead of 8, it will come 40. 40. So this is 40 into 26. Okay. Here I am getting 5306. It is in the calculator. Available in the calculator. 5306.04. 5306.04. We will complete the right side calculation. 5306.04. Case 2. Now case 1 we have to do 40 into 26 into square root 26. 40 into 26 into root 26. Okay. into 26, 1 minute. So 26 square root of this, okay, then into 26 into 40. Into 40. The answer is 5302.98. 5302.98. Okay. So the simplification only, slight mistake, 302. 5302.98. Okay. Now there is nothing but higher value minus lower value. Higher value minus lower value 0.98. If you simplify one below the other, okay, put it one below the other. So without any mistake, we will complete this. 6, and then it is 0. Here it is 5 minus, okay, it is 3, then it is 0. 3.06. Option B is the correct answer. 3.06. Option B is the correct answer.